Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making Sabudana dry fruit kheer or payasam. This is a very rich and creamy sweet dish that can be enjoyed hot and cold as well. Before we start making the sweet, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. To make this kheer, I have taken 1 cup of Sabudana, sago or tapioca. First we have to wash this sago or tapioca by changing the water twice and rubbing the tapioca pearls in the water gently. After first wash, throw away the water, pour in some more water and wash the sabudana for the second time in the same way. We are washing the tapioca to remove the excess starch particles or dust particles that are present along with tapioca. After washing the pearls for the second time, discard the water and now add in 500 ml or half liter of fresh water and let the tapioca pearls sit in the water for 1 hour. In the meantime, chop some dry fruits. I have taken cashew nuts, almonds and pistachios. I have chopped them lengthwise. It's been an hour and the tapioca pearls have soaked up the water and have swollen in size. If you want the sweet to be more richer and creamier, you can soak these pearls in milk as well. But soaking them in water will work too. Discard the water and keep this aside. Now in a heavy bottomed saucepan, I have taken 1 liter or 1000 ml of full fat milk. We'll have to bring this milk to a boil on a medium flame. Keep stirring occasionally to avoid the milk getting burnt at the bottom of the pan. After the milk starts boiling, reduce the flame a little. Keep stirring and keep boiling for up to 20 more minutes. In the meantime, place a pan on low heat, add 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter to it. Heat the ghee for a minute and add in the chopped nuts and dry fruits to the pan. I have used chopped pistachios, chopped cashews and chopped almonds along with some raisins. You can even add some dates as well to this recipe. Fry the nuts on a low flame for 3 minutes. Now let's check on our milk. Our milk has thickened and looks ready now. Add in the soaked tapioca pearls to the milk. You can even boil the tapioca pearls in some water and then add them to the milk, but as we have soaked them already, they are already soft and doesn't need a lot of cooking. Give it a quick stir. Now add in 2 cardamoms for flavor. Instead of cardamoms, you can even add in some vanilla extract to this. After adding tapioca pearls, boil this for 10 minutes more on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, you can see this has thickened a lot. Now is the time to add in our sugar. I am adding half cup of sugar. Instead of sugar, you can use condensed milk in this recipe as well. As the sugar dissolves, the consistency of the dish may get a little thinner in the beginning. After adding the sugar, continue boiling on a low flame for 5 minutes more. After 5 minutes, add in the fried dry fruits. After adding the dry fruits, do not cook for more than 1 minute. Give this a nice and quick stir and remove this from flame. It is better to keep the consistency like I am showing you, as this dish will thicken a lot after cooling down. After removing from flame, you can serve this dish hot or cold as you wish. It will taste very good either way. If you are serving this dish cold, you can even add in some chopped fresh fruits to this dish. Sprinkle few more dry fruits and chopped nuts on the top. If you are adding dates to this dish, let the dish cool down a little before adding the dates. As sabudana is allowed during the Vrat season, you can even make this for Vrat or as prasads during festival season. I hope you'll try this one at home and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!